Laying out your aprons and cutting the dominoes. Begin by milling your aprons to exact size. That's exact thickness, width, and length. Choose one edge to be the top edge and label it. And do the same thing with the face. Now, using a square and a sharp pencil, measure down from your top edge 7/8 of an inch and 2.5 inches. Use the square to mark reference lines 90 degrees from the end. Do this on both ends of all of your aprons. Now get the apron hold down jig and the apron depth template. Put the apron hold down jig in a bench vise and set up the domino. The instructor is going to set up the domino and show you how to correctly use this machine. When done, you will have 2 domino mortises cut on both ends of all of your aprons. This concludes this video. Let's get back in the shop so we can get back to building.